If you want to add a new font in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the quickest way to load your own font file into Photopea, whether it's a TTF, OTF, or even a WOFF file. This is super useful if you're designing thumbnails, social media graphics, posters, or any project where you want a more custom look than the default fonts. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photopea in your browser and make sure your project is loaded. To add a font, you'll need to use the text tool. On the left toolbar, click the type tool, which is the T icon. You can also press T on your keyboard as a shortcut. Once the text tool is active, click anywhere on your canvas if you want to type, or just get ready to access the font settings. Now look at the top options bar, or if you prefer, use the character panel on the right side. You'll see a font name box there. Click on that font drop-down menu to open the list of available fonts inside Photopea. This is where you can browse through the built-in fonts, but what we want to do is add a new one from your computer. Scroll all the way down in the font menu and look for the Load Font button at the bottom left corner. Click that button and Photopea will open a file browser window on your computer. From here, find the font file you want to use. Photopea supports common font formats like .ttf, .otf, and WOFF, so make sure your file is in one of those formats before you continue. Select the font file and click Open. Photopea will load the font into the browser, and after a moment, it should appear in your font list ready to use. Once it's loaded, simply select your text layer again, go back to the font drop-down, and choose the new font you just added. From there, you can start typing or apply that font to any existing text in your design. There's also a faster shortcut if you already have the font file on your computer. You can simply drag and drop the .ttf or .otf file directly from your folder into the Photopea browser window. In many cases, Photopea will detect it and load it for you automatically, which is a really handy time saver when you're working with multiple fonts. If the font doesn't appear right away, just refresh the font list or reselect the text layer and it should show up. Also, make sure the file is not zipped and that you're using a supported font format. If you downloaded a font from the web, you may need to extract it first before loading it into Photopea. And that's it. Now you know how to add a new font in Photopea in just a few simple steps. It's a quick process, but it can make a huge difference in the style and professionalism of your designs. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tips, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.